won 3 straight. And Miyaka, what do you have?
Thanks, Ev. Good news nga ito para sa ating mga Philippine Army fans. Ito nga si Tina Salak ay nagbabalik in today's game after missing their game against Cagayan due to a thyroid complication. Sabi nga ni Tina, sabi sa kanya ng doctor siya na daw bahala kung kaya niya magtrabaho today. Kaya naman during their practices, kinausap ni Tina yung mga teammates niya na taasan lang ang bola at ilagay sa gitna para rin maiwasan yung pag-waste ng energy into chasing it. Kaya sabi ni Tina, pacing daw will be a big key for her today. Balik sa inyo, Sev.
Well, some of our veterans encountering
yun ang magagaling mag-adjust. Yung mga veterano na tulad ni Tina Salak.
Morada finds an open corner. Boy, lots of weapons in this game. Not only the Army, but both sides. Look at this. Even, in fact, Rachel Andakis, who just came back recently from Germany with her family over there, isn't even starting for this lineup. Bautista. Set-up job. Huli.
That's going to be a violation.
Spin ng bola. Alam niya.
Yes. Parang inaantay mo na lang yung pito.
Metkasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Field. Sana wag makita, no? Pero yung spin ng bola kasi.
Yun, ang nila kasi yung panels ngayon ng Mikasa ball. Madali nang makita for the referees.
Maureen knew it and she was hoping na hindi pituhan, ano.
Oh! Phil Kainglet!
That sector is still hers. That sector. Kahit ang gulo-gulo niyan sa opening natin kanina.
Ang ganda naman ng open hit na yun ni Phil Kainglet. Meralco na with 5 attacks and ang Army with 2.
Penetrante Uwano. Salak. Balse. Corner.
Being Balse just trying to look for those open spots.
Tutuwa ako kay Stephanie. She found her own sport. And of course, the mother is the very great Lydia De Vega Mercado.
Kaya yung mga anak ko pinipilit ko mag-badminton. Ayaw eh.
Well, in time. Carolino. Track down Reyes.
Oh, a free ball now given by Meralco.
Torres. Carolino.
Oh.
That's inside.
Beautiful. Dulong-dulo ng court. Mahirap depensahan.
Parang alam nung Ali kung saan papupuntahin. Ano? As you take a look at this, with so nating first point deodorant, it won't let you down. Alam niya, no?
Iniwas kay Wang.
Yes. Some very smart bears. Now, what you will like about this game is the smarts. Ang gulangan dito.
Yep.
You will enjoy it here. Look at that. Kainglet's shot, however, cross-court goes out. Bautista will be serving. So far, they've got Meralco's gotten the ball steadily over to Jose, although that's a tough set.
Yes,
that's a tough set.
Angle also.
Lagi naman. 13-10. Masigasig din, maingay din.
Alam mo, mahirap din dito kay Jose. She's a very tall middle hitter.
Yeah.
Iba rin yung set niya. Nakakaiba sa lahat ng quick na binigay niya siguro sa buhay niya.
Wang is rejected. Recycles. Off speed. Salak. Carolino. Pinas ni Morada. Just Janet.
Oh, just too easy. So easy for Coco Wang. Regalo eh.
Watch this. Ito.
Tuntua si Miyaka. Ba't ganun ang dali? Oh, inatrasan lang ng konti eh.
Tama ka, Miyaka. Ang laki niya eh. Salak. Good set. Tinakas ni Phil Kainglet. Nice set also as well by Jose.
At yung quick hit ni Wang, hindi naman kinakailangan ng approach na eh. Dumobble jump lang. Pwede na.
Alam mo, in the future, magkakaroon din ng Pilipinang ganyan katangkad.
Ay, oo. Hindi naman ako magtataka.
Carolino. Oh, Morada playing steady defense. Mercado. Tinaas ni Salak. Balse.
Oh, cannot be. Only one blocker for Ging Balse.
Tama ka, no? Siya yung 10-year veteran itong Shakey's Billy. Year in, year out. Hindi yata nawalan ng team. Wala yatang Year na wala ng team yan.
I think she started playing for USD.
Yes.
Nung,
First season.
Yes. Nung tayo nasa Lyceum pa.
Wang is foiled by Balse and the enthusiasm of Balse has never faded. Enjoy pa rin siya sa laro.
Naalala ko tuloy bigla si si Sir Tani Gonzales. No?
Oo nga, Lyceum.
Yes.
Tani was a good friend to many people in the sports world. Balse, middle. Cool.
Totally closed out. Yan, this time. Dalawang blockers for Ging Balse.
We're gonna see it in a short while. I think I get my cue right, but I know I didn't get my cue right. But it was sarado talaga.
Sarado.
Nowhere to go. Jose serve. Carolino. Tina. Huli. Si
Once
Gonzaga.
again, si Wang at si Morada this time. Yan na, Gonzaga. Wala eh. She tried to go down the line. Yun ang naging diferensya doon.
Nakita niya si Morada. Baka pwede kung ano yun.
Padaanin kay Morada. Ganda rin naman ng floor defense nitong Meralco.
Salak. Balse. Well done. Salak and Balse are working
Tatlong
together.
veterano na yun. Yung moves na yun. Ibang klase
Ang mga rookie ho namin yan. The youngest players in the league. 16-14. Back in a moment.
Ako si Phil Kinglet ng Meralco Power Spikers at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's League Season 10.